guys, this is Magic of Spice, and there's going to be a twist today. My sister's actually going to do a magic trick, and here she goes.
Hi everybody. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I have 3 ordinary cotton balls, as you can see. Okay, I'm going to take a cotton ball. I'm going to put it on top of one of the cups. I'm going to just pat it down there. There it is. See, nothing there, it's empty. Okay. Okay, I'm going to take another cotton ball. I'm going to take my cup, pat it down there. And now there's 2 of them. I'm going to push those closer so they'll fit. Okay. Now I'm going to take my last cotton ball and I'm going to make it a little harder here. There we go. It's right at the top. Pat it down. Now there's 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now here's a tutorial or like how to do this. The audience, they're gonna think you have actually 3 cotton balls. You actually need 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you actually need 4 cotton balls, and you can have any kind of cup. Just make sure it's not a see-through cup. Any kind of like closed cup. I like to use these metal kind of cups. Kind of like they look metal, but they're actually plastic because it looks more realistic or believable. Okay. Now, how you're going to do this is you have your 4 cotton balls. You're going to set up first, which means you have to make sure there's already a cotton ball in one of them. And that has to be the middle one. Okay? Now, you have your 3 cotton balls. Just say, okay, you can even let them feel them. Okay, they're ordinary cotton balls. Or they don't even have to be cotton balls, just any kind of small little one. Okay, you're going to take one of the cotton balls and put it on the top of the cup. You're going to take the empty cup, pat it down. You can show them the cup, make sure you show it. Okay, and now there's still a cotton ball left in one of them. Don't show them that there's one, and try not to go like this. Oh, okay, just make it look believable. Alright, now you're going to take another one. Do this. You can either do 2 or 3. I like to do 3. There's nothing inside there. Okay. Okay. And you can either just do, okay, here, my last one. You can pat it down like that. Or you can do, okay, I'm going to do it a little trickier like what I just did before. Place a cup on top of it. Now put your cotton ball there. Pat it down. Now there's 3. They're going to probably believe that it's 3. But make sure you don't show them that you have a cotton ball in one of them. Just say, okay, thank you, and try not to show them. Okay? Thank you guys so much. Make sure to like or subscribe for Magic of Spice. Okay, thanks guys.